Díodh agus fáilte arás go géalaigh i mo chraí, agus má tá tú nniu anseo díodit agus fáilte. Nniu bé mé ag loirt vidúda Snoop. Snoopy? Just Snoop. Tá sketch mini an dón orm mar tá mé an rá le Snoop tá gra mo chraíthú. Is come leis. I wanted to make a piece that would be more understandable for beginners. I have done before a lot of vlogs where I talk casually in Irish, but I wanted to make something that might be a little more suitable for beginners. And by beginners, I don't mean somebody who just started yesterday or last week. Of course, you're a very new beginner, but there's different levels in beginner, like A1, A2. You might not understand everything, and that's fine. You're not supposed to. You're supposed to learn a little bit as well. Anyway, don't worry if you don't understand everything. Don't feel like you're behind other learners or beginners. Before we start, something that is quite interesting in Irish is the difference in how dog, the word for dog, is pronounced. So standard is Madra. Madra. And then in Ulster, that is pronounced Madu. Madu. And then in Connacht, they might say Mada, Mada. The phrases that I use in this video as well, you can apply not only to maybe your own pet, but to yourself. You just have to remove Snoop's details and put in your own. Let's get started. And we'll sketch mini art. And we'll sketch mini art. Snoop, Snoop, sketch mini. Tá brona. Tá Madu a bhain agam. Snoop is aim da. Tá sé 8 mbliana d'aois. Rugadh sé an 5 lá de dhearú fór, sa bhliain 2013. Fuair mé é mar bhrontanas ag am nálaigh. Tá sé bug tá grúig bháin, lia agus rú air. Tá clúasa mhóra aige. Tá súla donna aige. Tá srón dú aige. Tá sé cardial, gráhar agus nervhíseach aranta. Tá sé cardial, but you want to say he is a friendly dog, then you need the copula. Is Madu cardial, gráhar agus nervhíseach é. Is brá leis a bheith ag siúl. In aimintí seasan sé ar a láha, níl is agam catíche, is rud nua é. Is Madu aclaí é. Is é cáis an bia is fearr leis. Is brá leis gití tósta fásta? Tugam gití dá nuair tá mé ag oíche mo bhric fásta. Is brá leis daoine, agus is maith leis a bheith ag táfan. Go leor. Is fua leis cat ar nói. Is fua leis tinte álainne agus an chi. Cuireann siad agla air, agus ní maith leis fearr an phoist. Téann sé ina chalú in acha lum. In aimintí, deanann sé iarracht loirt. Tá sé anáisteach, ach tá mé cinse go bhfuil sé ag deanú iarracht loirt. Tá má dhead ag teacht isteach agus tá sé ag táfán anois. Ligeann sé glam nuair a chluineann sé an áthair car. Ná ceol. I know that as a beginner, howl is probably not in your vocabulary. Maybe as an intermediate as well. Don't worry about it. I had to include that fun fact about him. Chailmuid é an saoirú seo chaite agus bhí fáitias an dón orin. Chuaigh sé trasna an bhaile. Fuairmuid é an lá chéine ar an 2 uair. Tá gra agam dom ó wadú. Agus tá mé fisrach an bhfuil madú agat? an bhfuil páta agat. Inis dú sna trachtanna. Sin é a chairde tá súlagam gur bhain sibh sult as an ísean sin. Brodan seach get a big difriúil ach má bhain tú sult as an ísean seo tóir thumbs up or dog thuas do agus fag tracht, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Ba bhaithlam scart amach a thuirt dom fatrinaí gur míle mai agah mar gcónaí tá mé anmhuich as fuair dachaíocht le núnach. Mas mian leat a bheith dá fatrún tá a nasc im a chur sios. Bé mé ag taistil go lua agus bé mé ag deanú bhí seán vlogana, so keep an eye out. Also, I am thinking about making the Irish subtitles available to patrons, and of course when I put the video on YouTube you'll have the English subtitles, but because these videos take a long time to make and I have a full-time job and I kind of just make them when I can, that's why they're not that frequent. It's a lot of work. I will post something about that, but I am thinking about making the Irish subtitles available for patrons as well as other things. The Patreon package comes with a lot of benefits, so check it out, and it really helps to support me and this channel. Gur míle mai agah agus tífiú mé sibh sa chéad ísean eile. Slán a chairde. He's a friendly dog. Is my... Is he? Aww. Wat heb je gemaakt?